guys, this is what I caught. Good stuff. Not sure what if this is tilapia or what it is. Let me know what this fish is. I haven't eaten this yet, so I want to try fillet and deep fry it and see how it goes. Yeah, good haul. Let's see, one of the big one. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be fishing at Lake Villa. It's a really windy day today, but we're gonna be fishing for a little bit and see. So the wave is so crazy right now. The wind is really strong. Let's see how much the wind look like. Look at the wind finder. It's at 14 miles per hour north wind, blowing directly back into the land. It's really strong wind. Can barely stand. The water is a bit high here. This is the high tide at 6 p.m. and here's today's weather forecast. Also, Hurricane Helene is heading toward Florida. I'm gonna head on over to the bridge by the pump station and start off with a cast net and see what I catch. It's too windy today, so I might not use the fishing rod at all. Just gonna do cast net. If you guys like to support my channel, please use the affiliate links in my video description to purchase items through Amazon, or check out my website for other method to support my channel grow. Thank you. Making a quick look around to see what's the condition look like and where should I start casting my net. There's two guys casting net over there and they keep yelling a lot. I think they caught a lot of fish out there. Today I'm using a Magellan outdoor 19 quarts aerator dry box and a Metairie 5 feet monofilament cast net. This is one of my favorite size net to throw. They are pretty durable. It's only 26 bucks. You can find a link in my description. Today I got a new camera girl to help me film this, so we got a couple better angle.
bass right here. White bass or something right here. Not sure. Let me know what this is, guys. This guys got a big mullet right here. Got a couple really big mullet. One goes away. Finger mullet here, and 3 bluegill. They are too small for me to keep. A few more bluegill. That's 4 bluegill total. Look at this, guys. This maybe tilapia, I think. Not a bad size. And another sillet down here. Not a bad size as well.
We got a levee police passing by the bridge right now. I have been fishing in Louisiana for a couple of years now, and I have never been stopped by a wildlife fishery.
Let me go grab my box. So we got the other one. Looks like I got 2 more in here. 4 so far. Guys, I've got some more bluegill and got another bass right here. bass right here. A few bluegill.
I got 2 more tilapia. Alright, it's hitting 7 p.m. so I'm gonna be wrapping up here. If you haven't done so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment or more.
That's it for today. I'm heading out, and I'll show you our catch for today when we get home. Alright, let's go. Back at home, let's see what we got here.
This fish are still pretty strong and energetic.
Still pretty strong. So
Moving on to the fun part is cleaning the fish, descaling the fish using the fish scaler that I got for a bucks at the academy. This works pretty well. Also, I'm using this LED light with the DeWalt battery from Temu. It is extremely bright. This flashlight is rated for 1000 lumen, twice the brightness as compared to the DeWalt one, only at 500 lumen. And the best part is only cost 1/5 of the DeWalt light. Alright guys, that's it for today. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. Keep your line tight. Later, guys.